1. Grasses come in a vast range of sizes and types, ranging from long grass to rice, wheat, corn, sugarcane, and bamboo. Grasses come in all shapes and sizes. It is estimated that there are about 10,000 different species of grass worldwide. They vary from short creeping long grasses, to waist-high reeds and bamboo plants up to 40 m, 120 feet, tall. 2. Approximately 20% of the world's cover of vegetation has grasses as its main ingredient. 20% of the world's vegetation cover is composed mainly of grasses. Steppes, prairie, and savanna are ecological formations which all have grasses as one of their main components. They cover vast areas of land. In Patagonia alone, South America, steppes occupy an area 5 times the size of England. In Kazakhstan, Central Asia, steppes cover 27,800 square miles of land. These represent but small portions of the total area covered. These grasslands are maintained by a complex mix of interacting factors from soils and climate, to fire and grazing animals. Few other habitats lack grasses of one type or another. 300s of years old. Some perennial grasses clone themselves year after year, producing new shoots which are genetically identical to those of preceding years. Individual plants of red fescue, Festica rubra, spread via underground stems known as rhizomes. A single plant has been estimated to cover an area 250 meters in diameter. If the annual growth rate is measured, the age of the individual plant can then be estimated. A plant of this size may be over 400 years old. Some individual grass plants can exceed 8 meters in diameter in clump-forming grasses. Enormous clumps can also eventually result. It has been estimated that a large plant of sheep's fescue, Festica ovina, 8 meters in diameter, equivalent to 4 men lying down, head to toe, might be 1,000 years old. 4. Grasses enabled cavemen to become farmers rather than hunters. www.drawshop.com. Grasses occur in almost all parts of the world. They produce seeds known as grains, for example, wheat, corn, and rice. The grains separate relatively easily from the parent plant and so can be collected. Pastries made from wheat flour. The grains contain high proportions of nutritious oils and starches, making them a valuable food both for humans and for their domesticated animals. The dry grains can be stored and used later, providing food sources in winter when little else is available. They can also be sown in the ground to germinate and produce new plants conveniently close to areas of habitation. Today, grasses provide all of our cereal crops, the grazing for our domesticated cattle and sheep, as well as most of the world's sugar. Grass is a name used for a large group of monocotyledonous flowering plants in the Poaceae family. Grass first appeared on our planet between 55 and 129 million years ago. There are around 12,000 species of grasses in 780 genera in the Poaceae family. The Poaceae family is the 5th largest plant family in the plant kingdom. Grass grows on every continent and is considered one of the most distributed plant groups in the world. The grass species Antarctic hairgrass, Descampsia antarctica, grows in Antarctica. The size of the species in the grass family vary greatly. The largest species in the grass family is giant bamboo, Dendrocalamus giganteus. Giant bamboo reaches an average height of 98 feet. One of the smallest species in the grass family is early sandgrass, Mibera minima. Early sandgrass only reaches a height between 0.07 and 0.59 inches. Many staple foods are in the grass family, including, but not limited to barley, rice, and wheat. Many building materials are made from species in the grass family, like bamboo and straw. Thousands of species in the Poaceae family are used as ornamental or long grass. Areas that are dominated by grass are known as grasslands. Grasslands dominate between 20 and 40% of the land mass on our planet. It's estimated that grass family species make up around 26% of all the plant life on our planet.